Good morning, children. Today you have your EVS, and in the EVS we are doing chapter 6, which is varieties of food. Varieties of food. Last year in the first standard you studied what did you study last year, children? You had studied food habits and you had studied about the delicious food last year. So this year we are going a step ahead, that is varieties of food. Now what is varieties of food, children? You are eating not one, are you eating every day chapatis, or are you eating every day dosa, idli? No, because if mummy makes every day, you say mummy makes every day one vegetable with brinjal curry or something, or lady's finger, you will say mama, why there is no other curry? Because you need tasty food, but in varieties, isn't it? So mama makes for you all in the family good variety of food. Okay, now when we see the variety of food, children, you need to have many things. What are the many things? You need to have variety of grains, like you need to have rice, then you need to have jowar, you need to have atta. So mummy can make variety of food. Then mummy needs dal. Now dal also is not one variety. You have different kinds of dals. You have that what you call tohar dal, green gram, okay, green color it will be. You have all these varieties of dals. Then you have varieties of vegetables. No, vegetables will be brinjal, carrot, lady's fingers, potato. So variety of vegetable. Then you have all these. So today what I will teach you is the varieties of food obtained from plants. Today we will do the plants. In the next class we will do the varieties of food obtained from animals. Okay. Now what are the varieties of food, children, you have? You will be learning. Now see in your textbook, there are varieties of food given. You see, it is rice, you have wheat, then you have your different kinds of, here you have maize, then you have dals, green gram. See, varieties of food. In the next page you have varieties of vegetables. Now these are the varieties of food which is obtained from plants, which are obtained from plants. Now what is mummy making with this types of vegetable, different varieties of food? She makes vegetable pulao, she makes sambar, she makes different types of dal, then curries, isn't it? And there are these greens. Can you see here greens? Can you see, children? With these greens, mummy makes curry only with the leaves, plants leaves. You must have seen palak, pudina, curry leaves. So all these leaves, okay, basil leaves, rosemary leaves. So all these are used in salads also, but also to cook as a variety of what you call dry curry. They can be used for dry. Some of the palaks can be used with lentils, that is dals. Okay, so these are the varieties of food which you have to be introduced in this lesson. You are being introduced and you should know their spellings, children. Very important, because in the exam I am noticing in classwork you are doing good, but what happens when we give you to write with a missing letter or a dictation, then you skip some alphabets. So learn the spellings. Okay, so for that today I am introducing only the plants and the plant names, okay, which is obtained. Now these are the items that are received from the plants like rice, wheat, maize, jowar, dals are varieties, okay? Then green gram, ragi, millet, snake gourd and greens. Okay, there are many other vegetables which is called bitter gourd. Then you have onions, lady's finger, chili, so many potatoes, tomatoes, which you have studied in first standard. So you know those spellings, but these are the new added spellings. So I am giving these new spellings to you. Write them in your classwork 5 times. And then I will give you the spellings of the food obtained from the animals. If you know the spellings, then I take your next class with the total varieties of food, their ingredients and the materials used, and how these materials can be cooked in different forms. Then how is the procedure? What are the procedures of eating? What are the timings of eating? When should you take up the breakfast? When should you eat your lunch and the dinner? And what are the balanced diet and what are the nutrition diets for you children of 2nd standard? I close this. Please write. So please write this in your classwork 5 times and submit. Thank you children. Have a great day.